Well, hey, all welcome. Now, today I'm taking a quick look at this gas griddle with a ceramic coated nonstick surface. It happens to be portable. It has wheels, a collapsible stand so that you can take it anywhere. You can take it tailgating, you can take it to a picnic, you can take it to the beach, you can take it camping or while you're traveling. And the good news is it has a very small footprint, which means if you have a small patio or deck, it won't take up a lot of space. Now, I received this for free so that I could check it out and share my opinion with you, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. The griddle comes in the box 95% assembled, which makes setup pretty straightforward. All I had to do was attach the wheels and legs, and that took me about 15 minutes. Now, one feature I really like is that the griddle top detaches from the stand so you can place it directly on a table. The gas hookup is another plus. You can connect a small 1-pound propane bottle for quick setups or use the included hose and adapter to run it off a full-size 20-pound tank. On the right-hand side of the cooking surface, you'll notice a hole. Well, directly underneath that hole is a large drip pan to catch grease and runoff. This griddle has an automatic ignition system, so lighting the burners is quick and easy, and no batteries are required. And when you look at the cooking surface, it's clear this griddle gives you plenty of room to work with. Whether you're cooking breakfast at a campsite or burgers in the backyard, it handles it all with ease. I definitely recommend giving it a try. Thanks for watching.